In a dense, verdant forest, a small termite named Timmy lived in a humble mound. Timmy was the smallest in his colony, but he had a dream to build the tallest termite tower in the forest. One day, Timmy began his work, collecting a single grain of sand at a time. He worked tirelessly, day and night, never losing hope. Other termites in the colony watched in awe, but some laughed at Timmy, saying his dream was too big for his size. Despite the whispers, Timmy continued his work. Each grain of sand he gathered was like a step towards his goal. The other termites, seeing his determination, began to lend a hand, and together they built a tower that soared above the rest. As the tower grew, the other creatures in the forest marveled at its height. They asked the termites how they managed to build such a marvel. The termites, led by Timmy, proudly explained, "We built our tower brick by brick. Just as in life, we must strive for our dreams, no matter how big they may seem." News of the termite tower reached the wise old elephant, who came to visit. Impressed by their determination, he shared a lesson with the termites. Your size may be small, but your dreams can be as big as the tallest mountain. Remember, it is not the size of the dreamer, but the size of the dream that matters. From that day on, the termites of the forest continued to build, their tower standing as a testament to the power of persistence and the importance of dreams. And Timmy, the smallest termite, learned that even a tiny creature could have a big dream, and with determination, make it come true. Moral: no dream is too big, and no one is too small to achieve it, as long as we work hard and never lose hope.